Mr. Suresh Lalchand Sisodiya presents Pap smear test, awareness to prevent cervical cancer. Every year, millions of women in India are diagnosed with cervical cancer, and thousands of them lose their lives to it. Causes of cervical cancer: infection with some types of human papilloma virus, that is HPV, is the greatest risk factor for cervical cancer. Unprotected sexual intercourse with multiple partners, tobacco chewing and smoking increases the risk of HPV infection. Lack of genital hygiene, early marriage and early pregnancy of girls. Symptoms of cervical cancer: bleeding after sexual intercourse, bleeding apart from normal menstrual cycle, abnormal vaginal discharge, bleeding after menopause. How to prevent cervical cancer: abstaining from chewing tobacco and smoking, maintaining clean hygiene of genital area, avoiding sexual intercourse with multiple partners, performing Pap smear test at least once in 3 years. What is Pap smear test? Pap smear test is a very effective screening test for cervical cancer. In Pap smear test, cells are scraped from the opening of the cervix and the sample of cells is sent to a laboratory for examination. If any abnormalities are found during the Pap test, then further tests or treatments are recommended. It is a very simple and relatively painless test. Most importantly, Shri Suresh Lalchand Sisodiya has organized free Pap smear tests for women from all 15 talukas of Nasik district in the memory of his late wife Srimati Kamal Suresh Sisodiya to create awareness about Pap smear tests as an effective way to prevent cervical cancer. Breast cancer. Many women suffer from breast cancer and lose their lives due to lack of timely diagnosis. Mr. Suresh Sisodiya has arranged free breast pre-screening tests in the memory of his late mother, Srimati Suganbai Lalchand Sisodiya.
Cervical and breast cancer pose a serious threat to women's lives. But if diagnosed early, they have a nearly 100% cure rate. For this, every woman must get a Pap smear test done once in every 3 years. Mr. Suresh Lalchand Sisodiya has arranged this test at your doorstep free of cost. The test for breast cancer is also totally free of cost. I call upon all women to take advantage of this facility against this killer disease.
Please take benefit of this free facility brought to you by Mr. Suresh Lalchand Sisodiya. Thank you.